contact us for special internet pricing. Keeler BMW is pleased to introduce this 2009 BMW 528xi with an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and 35,000 miles. This vehicle has a jet black exterior, a black interior with dark poplar wood trim, and comes with some wonderful features such as iPod and USB adapter, adaptive light control, heated front seats, power front seats, tire pressure monitor, 17-inch wheels with all-season tires, moonroof, xenon headlights, BMW Assist with Bluetooth system, and more. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Keeler BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.